Hello everyone! Today I have this durable mount for your curtains. The biggest plus of this mount is that it's glue on the wall. You don't need to screw or do anything. It works perfectly in any curtains. Everything that you need is glue it on the wall and enjoy the window with new curtains. It has a different variation of sizes, different variation for different variation of window. I think it's a must have for everyone. It's stable, it's good to use. I think it's a good purchase as a gift for friends and family, and I'm highly recommend this. See you like it.